Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chocolate Kunafa bars using an easy method. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need about 500 grams of Kunafa dough, 100 grams of melted butter, 200 grams of your favorite chocolate, and a simple sugar syrup. Make sure your Kunafa dough is thawed and shredded into small pieces for the best texture. This preparation ensures a smooth and enjoyable cooking process. Now, let's prepare our Kunafa layers. Take your shredded Kunafa dough and mix it thoroughly with the melted butter until every strand is coated. This step is crucial for achieving that perfect golden crispness. Next, press about 1/2 of this buttered Kunafa mixture firmly into the bottom of your baking pan. Bake this first layer in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes, or until it turns a beautiful golden brown. With our first Kunafa layer baked, it's time for the star of the show, the chocolate filling. Carefully spread a generous, even layer of your melted chocolate over the warm, crispy Kunafa base. You can use milk, dark, or white chocolate, depending on your preference. Then, gently top the chocolate layer with the remaining 1/2 of your buttered Kunafa dough. Lightly press this second layer down to ensure the chocolate filling is well secured and even. For the final bake, return your Kunafa bars to the oven for another 20 to 25 minutes, or until the top layer is beautifully golden and crisp. Once out of the oven, immediately pour your cold sugar syrup evenly over the hot Kunafa. This creates a delightful contrast and ensures the bars are perfectly moist and sweet. Allow the bars to cool completely for at least 2 hours before cutting them into individual, delicious portions. Enjoy your homemade chocolate Kunafa bars.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.